In a surprising move earlier this year, President Cyril Ramaphosa announced that the African National Congress, or ANC, would form a government of national unity. This decision marks a historic shift in South Africa's political landscape. But why is this important? And what does it mean for South Africa and the world? First, a bit of context. The ANC has been the dominant party in South Africa since the end of apartheid in 1994. It's the party of Nelson Mandela, and it has shaped the nation's post-apartheid identity. However, recent years have seen growing dissatisfaction with issues like corruption and economic stagnation. Enter the Government of National Unity. By partnering with other political parties, the ANC aims to create a more inclusive and effective governance model. This isn't the first time South Africa has seen a unity government. Post-apartheid, a similar coalition was formed to ensure peace and stability. But this time, it's about tackling modern challenges together. What's fascinating here is the potential for real change. A unity government can lead to more balanced policies as it requires cooperation across different political spectrums. It's about compromise, understanding, and working together for the common good of all South Africans. But as with any political change, there are challenges. How will these diverse parties reconcile their differences? How will power be shared? And most importantly, will this unity government be able to address the pressing issues that led to its formation? These are the questions that will determine the success of this bold political experiment. As observers, we should watch closely how this unfolds, as it could serve as a model or a warning for other nations grappling with political divisions. This historic shift in South Africa's political scene is more than just a headline. It's a story of hope, challenge, and the ongoing struggle for a better governance. As we continue to watch this space, let's remember the power of unity in achieving common goals. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.